Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. We are Uslan, Ahmad Yani, and Aiman. In this session, I'd like to give presentation about integrating local wisdom into thematic learning, fostering character and development, and cultural awareness in education. We're going to start from introduction. In Indonesia, one of the education aims is to cultivate the student's character development, which is associated with cultural norm, is essential for students to navigate their social environment. Incorporating character education into the curriculum significantly influences student character development, which in turn improves their learning outcomes. Local wisdom materials that to be able to facilitate the development of student character. It is because incorporating local wisdom into education is the reinforcement of character values that resonate with student everyday lives. However, present research lacks a solid theoretical foundation to support this technique. Existing research has concentrated on practical implication and application strategies rather than delving into the theoretical underpinnings of incorporating local wisdom into character education. Theoretical concepts are essential for providing a solid foundation and explanation for incorporating local wisdom into character education efforts. Researchers and educators can construct theoretical frameworks to better understand the underlying principles, mechanisms, and psychological processes that drive character formation. Robust theoretical framework is required to guide the design, implementation, and evaluation to such initiatives, ensuring coherence and alignment with educational aims and values. Without theoretical framework, the use of local knowledge in character education can be uneven and vary among educational settings. Let's move on to the nature of thematic learning. Thematic learning is an educational technique that combines different disciplines around a common theme to help students to develop a comprehensive understanding of information and abilities. This strategy is especially useful in elementary education since it matches with young learners' developmental requirements, encouraging engagement and excitement of for learning. Thematic learning allows students to make connection across different courses, therefore improving their cognitive ability and social skills such as cooperation and attentiveness to peers. To summarize, thematic learning is a multimodal educational technique that promotes a comprehensive comprehension of knowledge, improves critical thinking, and develops social skills. Next, thematic learning steps. There are three thematic learning steps. First, in thematic learning, careful planning. Is careful planning. Educator must identify a central theme that is relevant and entertaining to kids. This theme serves as the framework for bringing together numerous themes and disciplines. During the step, teachers create lesson plans outlining the theme's objectives, material, and activities. It is critical to ensure that the planned activities are interconnected and allow students to investigate the theme from many angles. Furthermore, teachers can work with peers to share materials and strategies, improving the overall quality of the thematic learning experience. Second, implementation. Following the planning phase, the next step is implementation. This includes providing teaching in a style that actively engages students. Teachers use a variety of instructional tactics to encourage student engagement and interaction, including hands-on activities, group discussion, and project-based learning. Thematic learning allows the student to develop connection between subjects, resulting in a better grasp of the material. And the last step is evaluation. This phase evaluates both student learning and overall success of the thematic approach. Teachers can measure student learning and participation using a variety of ways, including quizzes, projects, and presentation. In addition, student feedback might provide insights into their experiences and obstacles during the team learning process. This reflective approach is critical for enhancing future team learning efforts, and ensuring that they suit students' different requirements. Next, the steps of process the team learning with a focus on local wisdom. There are six steps of process of team learning with a focus on local wisdom. First, determining the theme. The first stage is thematic learning is to choose a meaningful and compelling theme that relates to student experiences and local contexts. This theme should be wide enough to include a variety of disciplines, allowing for interdisciplinary investigation. The theme should also reflect local wisdom, allowing students to connect their learning to their cultural heritage and community values. Second, integrating the theme with the existing curriculum. Once the theme has been established, the next step is to integrate it into the existing curriculum. Educators must identify relevant learning objectives across many subjects that are consistent with the chosen theme. The integration process should emphasize subject links, allowing students to see the overall relevance of their learning. 3. Local wisdom-based thematic learning model. The team learning model should prioritize the dimension of attitudes, knowledge, and skills with a focus on local wisdom. This includes creating learning activities that not only transfer knowledge but also foster positive attitudes and practical skills in students. 4. Designing lesson plans. Furthermore, lesson design should allow students to reflect on their learnings and connect it to their own experiences and local context. 5. Carrying out active student learning activities. Teachers should foster a dynamic classroom climate that promotes students' engagement, cooperation, and critical thinking. Educators who prioritize active learning can increase students' motivation and interest in the subject matter, resulting in better learning outcomes. Next, the nature of local wisdom education. Local wisdom education integrates indigenous knowledge and cultural values into educational framework with the goal of improving student cognitive and social outcomes. This method is especially important for varied cultural contexts where local wisdom serves as the foundation for character development and environmental awareness. Incorporating local wisdom into educational programs not only helps students develop a sense for unifying, but it also promotes sustainable practices and social responsibility. Furthermore, local wisdom education is critical for character development, especially among special needs students in inclusive settings. Ibn and Tahar examine how local wisdom can be used as a foundation for character education, resulting in a framework that is both current and effective in fostering ethical ideals. And the last crucial ways for successfully incorporating local wisdom into thematic teaching. First, development of thematic teaching materials. The first step in incorporating local wisdom is to create thematic teaching materials based on the student's cultural environment. Dewi and Ramadan emphasize the necessity of generating great teaching materials based on local wisdom since this can dramatically affect student motivation and learning outcomes. This resource should be engaging, relevant, and consistent with the student experiences and cultural heritage. Second, utilizing local folklore and narratives. Integrating local folklore and narratives into thematic units is an effective strategy for character education and moral development. Kusnita et al. Highlight how Malay folklore can be used to teach character, giving pupils with realistic moral lesson. 3. Employing interactive and inquiry-based learning model. Interactive and inquiry-based learning strategies can improve thematic teaching by encouraging students to actively explore local expertise. As Rizal et al. Promote the 5E learning cycle model, which encourage participation through exploration, explanation, elaboration, and evaluation. This methodology can be effectively used to thematic modules that incorporate local wisdom, allowing students to research and reflect on their cultural surroundings while also developing critical thinking abilities. 4. Collaboration with local communities. Participating of local communities can provide useful insight and resources for thematic teaching. Collaborating with community members can assist educators in gathering the local knowledge and practices for integration into the curriculum. This technique not only improves the learning experience, but it also enhances the bond between students and their cultural heritage. Seteningam and Purwati emphasize the significance of connecting learning materials to students' lives, which can be accomplished through community involvement. 5. Validation and feedback mechanism. To ensure their usefulness, the thematic teaching material generated using local wisdom must be validated. According to Rusdi et al., operated theme teaching materials should be validated in order to analyze in content and media. Additionally, receiving input from students can assess and enhance these resources, ensuring that they fit the requirements and interests of the learners. The iterative process improves the relevance and effectiveness of the educational materials. And the last, assessment of learning outcomes. Finally, determining the influence of local wisdom-based thematic learning on student learning outcomes is critical. Evaluating for how well students understand the topic and use local wisdom might shed light on the approach effectiveness. Wahyun and Ananda proposed that assessment will align with the subject content and local wisdom infused into the curriculum. And in the end, for the conclusion, including local knowledge into thematic instruction offers a true, fully enriched educational experience that develops students' character in addition to their intellectual comprehension. Furthermore, thematic instruction based on local wisdom is an effective way to close the gap between students' cultural background and their experiences. Teachers can encourage student active participation and greater comprehension by creating lesson plans that incorporate local knowledge, working with communities, and use interactive and peer-based learning techniques. This method not only enhances learning outcomes but also fosters environmental consciousness and a feeling of ethical responsibility, giving pupils the values and abilities needed to successfully negotiate difficult social and cultural issues. Therefore, including local knowledge into thematic education provides an essential foundation for developing future generations who are responsible, well-rounded, and culturally aware. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.